guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Shreya and today we are going to make some fridge magnets. I was thinking to give a little makeover to my kitchen. ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत. So I thought it'd be a nice idea to dress up my fridge with some of my handmade magnets. मुझे ना बहुत पसंद है अगर हर रूम में मेरा बना हुआ कुछ कुछ हो. And kitchen में अभी ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं, तो I thought I'd make some magnets for the fridge. I'm going to use M seal to make these magnets. M seal, which is very easily available. 10 रुपए का आता है, हर जगह मिलता है. You can also find it on Amazon. I'll link it down below. So yeah, let's jump right in. So here I have 5 packs of M seal. One pack costs 10 rupees and एक pack से 2 magnet बन जाएंगे. When you open this pack, you get these 2 components. One is called resin and another one is hardener. इस knowledge की आपको कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, but free का ज्ञान है, ले लो. Anyway, now you have to mix these components like I'm doing on the screen. It has a clay-like consistency. मैं यहाँ पे talcum powder डाल रही हूँ on the surface ताकि वो चिपके नहीं. Now it's time to make shapes out of this. I didn't have roller with me, so I'm using this glue stick to roll it. Best way to start with is to roll this M seal into a circle and then cut any shape you want out of it. तो यहाँ मैं एक हाफ वाटरमेलन बनाने वाली हूँ. सो आई जस्ट नीड अ सेमी सर्कल. आई विल यूज़ द रेस्ट ऑफ द क्ले फॉर अनदर मैग्नेट. नेक्स्ट आई एम मेकिंग अ डोनट. ऐसे आप बहुत डिफरेंट शेप्स बना सकते हो इससे. So once you're done making these shapes, there comes the best part, and that's the paint. They say that it's all in the details, and who wouldn't agree? I'm using this magnet sheet. One side of it is a magnet and back side में adhesive है. You can buy this from Amazon. I'll link mine in the description box. अगर आपको ये sheet नहीं चाहिए तो you can also use small magnets, which is again very easily available on Amazon or any art and craft store. इस sheet को मैंने cut कर लिया है थोड़ा सा, and all that is left is to stick this sheet on the magnet and your fridge magnet is ready. Okay, now this step is optional. This is podge. It's used as a glue or as a sealer. तो यहाँ हम इसको as a sealer यूज़ करेंगे. इससे एक हल्की सी शाइन रहती है सरफेस पे, एंड सरफेस को आप वाइट भी कर सकते हो फिर. You guys like this video, and if you did, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe and do all those good things. And I'm going to post the kitchen makeover soon on this channel, maybe next week or next to next week, so please keep your eyes peeled for that, and I'm going to see you next week. Bye.